Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the discount that the Tesla is giving currently. And usually I think every quarter Tesla is doing this because they did this last year as well. And so right now, as you can see, that they're giving like thousands of dollars of discounts off. So in order for you to go there, you click on vehicles and just gonna go into inventory. Inventory means that they already have the vehicles ready. And whichever vehicles you like, whatever specs, the color they have, you can just pick it, and then you can pick it up within 2 days. That's exactly what I did. So when we go to the inventory, first thing you know, like they put like the high price vehicles here. So this is exactly what I got, red color, but I got the regular wheels. So I think back then I paid like $59,000. Not including the stupid color, red color for more. But here you can see, regular price is what, $57,490, and now you can get it at $54, so off the back by about 3,000 something right there. And they do have like different colors you can pick from, but let's go with the lowest one and let's see what happened. Okay, and this is a Model Y. We can just try the Model 3 as well too. You can see the Model 3 right here, $36,260. Regular price like $38,990. So about 2,600 around there, close to 3,000. And this is all silver colors, and they do have blues too as well. And these are the rear wheel drive. So we already talked about this before. So you know, this one you can charge up to 100%, unlike the other, like the long range and the performance recommended like no more than 80%. So the range will be comparable, okay, unless you're willing to go for a travel long distance where you charge up 100%. But for the price, you think about it, it's $36,200. And that's not including the federal tax credit, okay? $7,500, bringing this vehicle down about under $30,000. And here it says it's expected to be reduced like to $3,750 on December 31st, pending federal guidance. So I don't know how trustworthy this is, because the last time in December, I think December 27th, I placed the order. And I picked it up December 29th, and I got like what? Regular price $65,000 minus $7,500, and then plus 10,000 miles free supercharging for 2 years. So if you're in need of a vehicle, I think this would be great. But if you're not, like, if you don't need a vehicle right now, you might as well wait for the refresh model that the Tesla already exported to Europe and Australia, right? But here in the US, so I'm pretty sure it's coming, but I just don't know how soon yet. They haven't made that announcement yet. But again, you can see like any colors you want. These are the ones that are available. You just put in your city, and then they give you like how far these vehicles are from you, and they can even actually transfer it to you. Depending on where you live, maybe if it's close by, it'll be free. If not, $500 all the way up to $2,000 if it's across the states. Here it goes on different wheels. Again, these are already made already. It's already on the lot. Okay, so whichever color, whichever vehicle you like, you can pick. So let's go with just the lowest one right here, and you can click on this one. And you can add any features you like. For example, it says here, this is a vehicle. This is not a demo vehicle. This is a new vehicle. So don't be surprised when you get your vehicle paperwork. It says like 15 miles on it. But I think when I got mine, there's like maybe about 7 miles on it. And the key features here, 18-inch wheel, all of this stuff right here. You can also add like enhanced autopilot if you want for $6,000, and the full self-driving for $12,000. And if you don't want to do it now, you can do it later on as well too. So it's not like you must do it now, and there's no incentive for you to do it now in any way. But down the road, if you want to test out, you can do it, or you can even do like a monthly subscriptions for this. I think for full self driving like $199. And again, these Tesla stop providing all these charging cables, so you gotta buy it. Either you want to do with the wall connector, you click that one, or the mobile, click that one, or you do both. And here it tells you the limited warranties already. Okay, like this one right here is from San Diego. Okay, available for pickup immediately. So, and also I tried to put in like, I was just curious to see how much Tesla would buy back my vehicle for the trade-in, and I believe they offered me $38,000. I got a red color long range, 8,600 miles, and they wanted 38. I tried Carvana, and I think Carvana offered me like 28,000. So that's ridiculous. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this discounts. But moving on, we can check out the Cybertruck news. So if you're following the channel, you know that they have like the delivery event, which in 9 days. And so far, all we know is that they're gonna be only delivering like 10 vehicles, according to their executives. And also, the news is spreading that some of these Cybertrucks are there at the service center or at the dealership, or wherever you pick your vehicle. They do have one in display, as you can see right here. This is Santa Ana Road, California, which is really nice. But I don't know, like Elon said, I think they could be producing up to like 125,000 in the first year. So who knows? But we're just gonna waiting for that event. Here you can see that they're testing the Cybertruck, so it looks like it can, hopefully it can float. Yeah, but right now they're doing a lot of testings. You can see in the water, in the snow, you name it. All right, so this is another one here in like some kind of dealerships here or service center. You can see like so people can take a look at it. Really nice. So Tesla is producing all this stuff, but other EV manufacturers, they're scaling back. As far as I know, like Ford, GM, they're gonna they're not gonna be producing as much. And Toyota just stick on with the hybrid, and they don't believe in fully electric. Wow, look at this one. Some kind of render, or yeah, it looks pretty nice. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you guys like the video, feel free to give it a like, and if you like the content, make sure you subscribe for more. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.